Hey guys, we're in this VW T6 and it's fitted with one of our solar panels on the roof. This one is out in the sun at the moment and we are getting some really good charge on this, and I'll show you on the system right now. Okay, so we're getting some good charge from this solar panel. We're receiving 86 watts on that. That's currently charging our battery here, and that's giving us 5.5 amps going into that battery at the moment from the solar. So some fantastic stuff on that. It's reasonably bright out at the moment outside, but we are kind of parked in the shade, so receiving this sort of charge is really good news. Got 6.2 amps going in currently on that one, and that's just going to be on a bulk charge, charging this leisure battery until it goes to absorption, and then it'll float. So at the moment that's just going to keep charging until we get our leisure battery up to 100%, and yeah, it's fantastic.